Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to add custom fields to your WooCommerce checkout page. So there is no coding required. So the first thing you need to do here is to install a checkout field editor plugin. So here, go to plugins and then add new and then search for checkout field editor. So here you can see here at the left corner. And then in the search field, search for this checkout field editor for WooCommerce. And then once activated, you just need to go to your WooCommerce checkout form to manage your custom fields here. So of course, you need to click add field to choose the type of field you want. So here, you just need to activate this one. And you can also choose where to place your field under billing, shipping, or additional information. And once you're done, you can click the Save Changes to apply the new field to your new checkout page. And that's it. You successfully added a custom field to your WooCommerce checkout. Like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials.